We use all links from the pinned comment. Right-click on the first link, then open it in a new tab. For the second link, right-click on it and open it in a new tab. Lastly, right-click on the third link and open it in a new tab. The same links are also present in the video description. Go to the first tab, scroll down in the assets, click on a Whisky zip, which was updated 3 days ago and has a size of 4.72 megabytes. Then, click on a Whisky to save it. Finally, click on the Save button. Click on Recent Download History to see downloads. Go to the second tab named More Downloads, Apple Developer. Search for Porting or Game Porting Toolkit. Also known as GPTK, it helps run your game on Mac. To download Game Porting Toolkit 1.1.dmg, we will click on the Game Porting Toolkit 1.1.dmg file. Click on the Save button. Finally, we go to the last tab, and in the About A tab, we have the Windows logo. Click on that, then click on the Save button. We are good to go to install the downloaded software now. Congratulations, you've won 50% of the battle now. Double-click on Whisky zip. Now, double-click on Game Porting Toolkit 1.1.dmg. Click on Agree. And you will see a new window open. Minimize it. Double-click on Whisky. Then click on Open. Now, click on Move to Application. If GPTK is not installed, click Next. It will download 436.7 megabytes from the internet. We have successfully installed GPTK on our Mac, and now it's time to install Steam. Click on Create Bottle. Give the bottle a name. I will give it Steam. Then click on Create. On the left side, we will see Steam is loading. Once it has loaded completely, click on Run. Go to the download folder where we have Steam set up. Exe, click Done. Then allow Whisky to access the download folder. It will open the Steam setup window. Click Next. Click Next. Choose the installation location and click Install. Finally, click Finish. Steam is updating and downloading an update. It shows a fatal error, but don't worry, click on OK. Now, we will be able to see the Steam logo in the Whisky window. Now, double-click on Steam, it will update again. Whisky would like to access the microphone. Allow access. After that, we will see a new window to log into the Steam account. If you have a Steam account already, go ahead and log in. In my case, I am going to create a new Steam account. Click on Create a free account. Provide your email address. Confirm your email address. Select the country of residence. Click Continue. Give the Steam account name, choose a password, confirm the password, then click Done. A verification email has been sent to you from the Steam team. Confirm it. On the top right corner next to the question mark logo, you will see your email address. Congratulations, you've won 100% of the battle.
Now, log into Steam. Click on Sign In. It's loading user data. When Steam finishes loading 100%, click on Library. In the search bar, type Counter-Strike 2 and then press Enter. When you see the search results, click on Counter-Strike 2 in the list. It's free. Scroll down the page and click on Add to Library. Then, click OK. Now, go back to the Library tab. You'll see Counter-Strike 2 there. Click on Install. Click on Install. Next, you'll notice a pause option. If you click on it, the download will stop temporarily. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see how much of the game has been downloaded so far. Keep an eye on the download progress as well. It depends on your internet speed. Once it reaches 100%, you'll see it verifying. Once the verification is completed, it starts installing. After installation, you'll see the play button. Let's check my laptop's configuration. Click on the Apple logo, then click on About this Mac. It's a MacBook Air M2 from 2022. My chip is M2, my memory is 8 GB, and my macOS is macOS Sonoma 14.2.1. The storage is Macintosh HD with 241 GB. In this laptop, we're doing all these tasks without changing any configurations, everything is set to default. Next, double-click on Whisky. We'll see Counter-Strike 2 there. Double-click on CS2 to open Counter-Strike 2. It will log into Steam with your email or username and load user data. Once Steam opens, click on Library again, then select Counter-Strike 2. You'll see the play button. Click on that. It will take some time to open, wait for it, not more than 10 seconds. After that, you'll see Counter-Strike 2.
Okay, so now it's opening the game. Now let's see the sound, how it will sound. Yes. Okay, so let's basically we are checking the graphics, what is the refresh rate whenever I'm clicking on anything, play button. So from the rest of the video, like 2 minutes, we will try to play the game. So it's still loading. Dust to training day. Okay, it's giving up. I like a graphic is good, not that much bad, because we are playing in Mac and we also see our Mac configuration. It's pretty much good. Yeah, buddy.
We kill them and then we go home.
Okay, now we'll start the game. Open the buy menu. Okay, I don't want, so I will pick up the gun instead of, okay, C4. Yep. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think the graphics is pretty much good. Like you don't feel anything like you are playing in low resolution or there is some lag. Yeah, I think it's pretty much good. Okay, we are just checking the Mac how Counter-Strike 2. Okay, they will come from here, the left side. I will go to just checking the graphics and all. Okay, they start firing. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I think all of our, okay, I am the alone now. Okay, let's just go. Okay, I think I am the only one now from the 5. Yeah, they have come. Okay, let them shoot me. Yep.
Counter-terrorists win.
Okay, they have win. Now if you like this, so let's exit from here. Exit menu, yes. Now again leave the mat. You want to stop playing now, yes. So I think it's pretty much good if you are playing on Mac. Now we'll shut down that. Quit desktop, quit. Yeah, if you like that, so you can install, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.